guys, this is Clay with 505 Motorsports. I want to point out one of my favorite cars on the showroom floor. This is a 1965 Plymouth Satellite, and I want to point out the three things that I really like about this car that drew me to this car. Hopefully these three things will drive you to want to buy this car as well. So if you dig cars like I do, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So the third thing that I really like about this 65 Plymouth is the fact that this is a one-year body style only. So in 1965, the Satellite was derived from the Belvedere line. So only option you could get in this 65 Satellite would be hardtop, which we have here, or convertible. So this obviously being the hardtop, one-year body only, really makes this a unique vehicle to have, and you know you're not going to see another one driving around the streets. So the number two thing that really drew me to this car has been the upgraded 440 motor. This car began its life with a 318. So taking the 318 out, dropping a built 440 motor, pumping somewhere around 500 horsepower, was built by a professional company called Gates Racing. This thing really thumps. The sound is amazing. Lighting up the tires through third gear, this is what really gets you down the road in this 65 Satellite. All right, and my number one feature that really sold me on this car has to be the interior. So obviously we're not dealing with the original interior. This has been an aftermarket installed interior. Beautiful stitching, beautiful piping around the seats. So this ties in really well with this car that I would call a resto mod Satellite. You do have the factory steering wheel, which really does tie in nice to this. Whoever did the work on this really did a fantastic job. This has to be my favorite part of the car.